International Standard ISO 31 was the most widely respected style guide for the use of physical quantities and units of measurement, and formulas involving them, in scientific and educational documents worldwide. In most countries, the notations used in mathematics and science textbooks at schools and universities follow closely the guidelines given by ISO 31. It is now superseded by the harmonized ISO IEC 80000 standard. Parts. The standard comes in 14 parts: ISO 31-0, General Principles, ISO 31-1, Space and Time, ISO 31-2, Periodic and Related Phenomena, ISO 31-3, Mechanics, ISO 31-4, Heat, ISO 31-5, Electricity and Magnetism, ISO 31-6, Light and Related Electromagnetic Radiations, ISO 31-7, Acoustics, ISO 31-8, Physical Chemistry and Molecular Physics, ISO 31-9, Atomic and Nuclear Physics, ISO 31-10, Nuclear Reactions and Ionizing Radiations, ISO 31-11, Mathematical Signs and Symbols for Use in the Physical Sciences and Technology, ISO 31-12, Characteristic Numbers, ISO 31-13, Solid-State Physics. A second international standard on quantities and units was IEC 60027. The ISO 31 and IEC 60027 standards were revised by the two standardization organizations in collaboration to integrate both standards into a joint standard ISO IEC 80000, Quantities and Units, in which the quantities and equations used with SI are to be referred as the International System of Quantities. ISO IEC 80000 supersedes both ISO 31 and part of IEC 60027. Coined words. ISO 31-0 introduced several new words into the English language that had direct spelling calques from the French. The intention was that these words be used in scientific papers for the sake of convenience and clarity. Related national standards: Canada, CAN CSA Z234-1-89 Canadian Metric Practice Guide. United States, there are several national SI guidance documents, such as NIST-SP 811, NIST-SP 330, NIST-SP 814, IEEE-ASTM-SI 10, SAJ 916. These cover many aspects of the ISO 31-0 standard, but lack the comprehensive list of quantities and units defined in the remaining parts of ISO 31. See also, SI the International System of Units. BIPM publishes freely available information on SI units, 3, which overlaps with some of the material covered in ISO 31-0. IUPAP much of the material in ISO 31 comes originally from document IUPAP 25 of the Commission for Symbols, Units and Nomenclature, 4, of the International Union of Pure and Applied Physics. IUPAC some of the material in ISO 31 originates from the Interdivisional Committee on Terminology, Nomenclature and Symbols, 5, of the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, Quantities, Units and Symbols in Physical Chemistry. This IUPAC Green Book covers many ISO 31 definitions, IEC 60027 letter symbols to be used in electrical technology, ISO 1000 SI units and recommendations for the use of their multiples and of certain other units. Notes. References: International Organization for Standardization. ISO Standards Handbook, Quantities and Units. Geneva, ISO. ISBN 92-67-10185-4. Cohen, E.R. Giacomo, P. Symbols, Units, Nomenclature and Fundamental Constants in Physics, Document IUPAP 25. Physica A 146, 1 €68. Bibcode, 1987 Phi A146D9 C doi, 10.1016/0378-4371, 87, 90215-9. External links: ISO TC12 standards: Quantities, Units, Symbols, Conversion Factors.